To start with candied yams. Victoria here, my sous chef, she knows how much I cook this.
She loves it, and it's amazing.
First, we're gonna start with ingredients. So we have 3 small organic yams, and then we have 2 tablespoons of organic brown sugar, a half a teaspoon of organic cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and we have 1/4 a cup organic freshly squeezed orange juice, and 1/4 a cup of melted organic coconut oil, and then we have Jet Puff marshmallows, Aunt Jemima syrup. Those are the ingredients. First step, preheat your oven to 400. And then you're gonna wash your hands. My hands are washed.
Mine's aren't.
So Victoria's gonna go wash her hands while I start cutting. You're gonna start by cutting your sweet potato sideways, not long ways. We're gonna do about 1/2 inch, I would say, Victoria, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna cut your circle in half. Now Victoria's gonna take her halves and cover the bottom of the pan. And you almost wanna cover it and stack them a little more. When they cook, they shrink a little bit, so you wanna really cover the bottom of the pan. This is what your yams need to look like. Cooking is very therapeutic.
I think so too.
We're gonna use our melted coconut oil as a butter substitute. And you are just gonna drizzle that. Then you're gonna take your organic orange juice and drizzle that also. I don't wanna drown them in orange juice, so I'm just gonna use a little less than 1/4 of a cup. Now we're gonna do the cinnamon. I like to pinch so I can have control rather than just dumping it. You know what? Screw that. Cover the top of this in cinnamon. Keep your cinnamon out though, because we're gonna be using it a little later, and also your brown sugar and syrup. So keep those 3 things out because they will be coming back. We're doing the brown sugar. Only use half of your brown sugar right now and save the rest for later. This is when you're gonna drown it in syrup. They cook faster when they're in a little bit of liquid. So you already have your coconut oil and your orange juice, but don't worry because we're gonna dump the syrup remaining out before we serve. You're gonna cover your pan in tin foil and put it in the oven. You can do the honors.
Oh,
I'll open it for you. So set your timer for about 45 minutes, and in between, flip your yams so it all cooks evenly. So it's been about 45 minutes. We took it out during those 45 minutes though and flipped it to make sure it cooked thoroughly, and it's gonna look very drowned in syrup. Now really quickly, I'm gonna dump out all the excess syrup. Okay, you're gonna know your yams are ready because they're gonna be really, really soft. We're gonna add the rest of the brown sugar that we saved. And a little pinch of cinnamon. And then a little drizzle of syrup. You're gonna open up your pack of marshmallows and we're gonna drizzle them on top, cover all your yams. And then you're not gonna put the tin foil back on, and you're just gonna put it back in the oven until your marshmallows are a little brown on top. So that was candied yams. Once your marshmallows are a little brown, you know it's ready. And I hope you enjoy first episode of Cooking with Kylie. Second episode coming soon.